What's goody grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money fast now. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stick around to learn more.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn PayPal money fast now. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon this month, someone is going to win some free money. So please hit that like button for me and drop a comment down below. Now, please put your best comment down there, a very creative comment, because in the next video, I might shout you out. So all you have to do is just leave a comment down there, a very creative comment, and I can shout you out the next video. And then it probably can help you get some exposure for your YouTube channel if you're trying to grow it. And please also drop a comment down about this video if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this method, let me talk about the most active subscriber. Now, when you become the most active subscriber, you will get a chance to win some free money. So all you have to do to become the most active subscriber is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, and watch all my videos all the way to the very end, and look out for the code word that might flash on the screen anytime in this video. Once you see that, type that code word down in the comments below. And at the end of this month, or once I reach 1,500 subscribers, which I'm like 30 something subscribers away to making that, maybe 40. I don't know how many subscribers I have at this time. I might have 1,460 or something like that. So once I hit 1,500 subscribers, I'm going to reward the most active subscriber with some free money. If I don't reach it by the end of the month, then I'm going to go ahead and give the free money to the most active subscriber then. Because what I'm going to do is go through all my videos and see who has been the most active subscriber by putting that code word down in the comments below. So all you gotta do is follow those steps, and you can be the next one to win some free money. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn PayPal money fast now. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm in the App Store and I'm at this app right now. Now, it says here, high-paying daily surveys. Now, hold up, don't click away. I know I've talked about survey apps before, and some of you guys are skeptical about these survey apps or survey sites, but recently I've been finding some good ones, and this is one of them. And like it says here, high-paying daily surveys. This is true. There's no points or anything you have to accumulate. You're going to get paid, and it tells you how much you're going to get paid before you even do the survey. So bear with me, stay with me, and you won't be disappointed about this survey app. Okay, it says here, guaranteed $6 on your first survey. So your first survey, you're going to get $6 right off the bat. And instant cash outs. So none of that accumulate point stuff. You're going to cash out with this money right here that you make from the survey. So also it's going to be based on, they're also based on your location. So when you put in your location, they're going to give you surveys based on your location. And you're going to be sharing your opinion to get paid, similar to the other apps. And, shop and earn cash back up to 40%. And here's some popular companies, some big time Fortune 500 companies: Target, eBay, Groupon, Best Buy, GameStop, Macy's, big time companies. And when you get paid, we give to charity. So you're not only going to be getting paid, you're also going to be helping some people out that need it, that need some money, because this company, they give back to charity. So let me just read a little bit more right quick, because I have one more site or app to tell you about. So it says here, take surveys for cash. We offer guaranteed surveys every day that tell you the exact exact dollar amount you are going to earn before even starting a survey. So they do that before you even start a survey. We have tons of survey options. So high paying surveys where you will not only be rewarded, but we also donate to child starvation every completed survey. So you're going to be helping a starving child out here when you do these surveys. And it says here also logo polling. So get paid to tell companies what design they should use for their next logo. So you're going to be helping a company out by picking what design they should use for their next for their company. And it also says here surveys that appear based on your location and much more. So the other thing it says here, once you reach $25, you can cash out. Now, if you're going to be making $6 every survey, you're going to cash out real quick and fast. You're not going to be for days or weeks or months trying to accumulate enough points to cash out. You're going to be doing surveys. Once you hit that $25, might be after 3 or 4 surveys. Boom, you're ready to cash out. And of course, you can cash out through PayPal, Amazon gift card, Visa gift card, and many more gift card options. And it says here for as the rating, out of 5 stars, 4.3. That's real good. And let's just read one review here right quick. This one says, great app that really pays. If you're looking for an app where you can make money, then you have come to the right place. So this person is very happy about using this survey app. All right. So that's all I'm going to talk about this survey app. So if you're interested, you're ready to go ahead and sign up with this one and start making money. It's called Zap Surveys. Now, I have one more I want to tell you about. I'm about to go to it right now. Okay, I'm at the next site, and this is also a survey site or survey app. And it says here, we love opinions. Welcome to QuickThoughts. That's the name of the app. We make your opinion count by pairing you with the surveys that improve the goods and services you already enjoy. Now, they got an app, and I'm going to go ahead and go to it right quick. It's in the App Store. Okay, it says here, QuickThoughts rewards you with free iTunes gift cards for sharing your thoughts via quick surveys and local survey events. Earn rewards on the go and redeem them for free $10 gift cards. So when you do these QuickThoughts surveys, you're going to get $10 gift cards. Now, The other thing it says here, each survey rewards up to $3, and local activities pay you up to $5. Once you hit your first $10, you can cash out for a free iTunes gift card. And it also says here, select from thousands of surveys right from your phone, or check in at local retailers and take photos to earn gift cards and rewards on the go. Pick from a wide variety of surveys and polls ranging from quick surveys to in-depth questionnaires. You can even embark on real-life GPS-based activities to earn cards at your favorite stores. So this is not only just doing stuff online, you can actually go into stores and do activities and get some gift cards worth $3 to $10. So that this is very different. I mean, this is a different one. This is a new one I came across that was pretty different than the others. So, but the only thing about this is that they just give it out on gift cards. So in a minute, I'm going to show you where you can sell your gift cards that you make from this survey app and trade that in for cash. All right, let me just look down here at the rating. Now the rating is kind of low. It's 3.7 out of 5. And the reason for that is because they're pretty new in their app. They're still trying to get the app to work correctly. But basically, the concept of everything is good. It's just getting the app up to par. So now let me just show you right quick where you can go and cash in your gift cards to get cash. Now, once you get your gift card from QuickThoughts survey, you can go here called Game Flip, and you can just trade your gift card in for cash. As it says here, get cash for your iTunes gift cards. And so you'll come to this site, click down here where it says sell gift cards, and they have all different type of gift cards. And let's just click on here where it says iTunes. So it says Game Flip is the fastest way to sell your iTunes cards for cash. So Game Flip is the simplest way to sell unwanted iTunes gift cards for cash. You can sell any unused, prepaid, or non-reloadable gift card on Game Flip. Popular gift cards on Game Flip are Steam cards, PSN, Xbox Live, Amazon gift card, and Google Play cards. So once you make that get that gift card from QuickThoughts, after you do those surveys, just come to this site, gameflip.com, sell your gift cards, get that money. All right, so that concludes both of these survey sites or survey apps that you check out. So if you want to check them out, go to Zap Surveys and QuickThoughts Surveys. Okay, so now you know how to earn PayPal money fast now. So go ahead and sign up with those surveys and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button. And let's try to get up to 100 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more it will help my channel and help this video to get more exposure on YouTube. Because the more subscribers I get, and as I grow, as you guys help me to grow, I'm gonna give back to you guys with some free money and giveaways. So help me grow, and I'll help you guys also by giving back. All right, please drop a comment down below. And like I said earlier, put a creative comment in the comments below, and I probably will shout your name out if I like that comment. And if you have a struggling YouTube channel or a small YouTube channel you're trying to grow, this can help you out. So leave a creative comment down in the comments below. And also, if you have any questions about what I talked about today, leave that in the comments below. And if you're the most active subscriber, don't forget to put that code word in the comments also below. All right, please share this video all around the internet, because I truly want to help as many people I can to become their own boss and become financially free. Because 2020 is right around the corner, and it's time for you guys to rise up and start being your own boss and making money on autopilot and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, Grind family, thank you. I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you for watching all my videos, and let's keep watching my videos, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content. One more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my new one come out. Peace. Check out my merch. Link in the description below.
This is Grind TV.